The purpose of this screencast is to provide an overview of the Individual Learning Plan, or ILP Assignment Section 1. You'll be working on the Individual Learning Plan throughout the year using the same assignment document. When you first access the assignment in Canvas, a copy will automatically be made for you. From there, the first two things you should do are to follow the instructions to name the document and share the assignment with your mentor. Section 1 is part of the data collection phases in an action research cycle. Candidates will demonstrate progress towards mastery of the California Standards for the Teaching Profession, CSTP. Use this assignment document verification form as you complete the following pages. Teacher candidates, please complete the following information found here. The rest of the verification form can be used to understand the expectations of the assignment. This area provides an overview of the components in the corresponding CSTP. Getting to know your students. Completing the student profile will help you learn about your teaching context. Choose 5 students that represent the range of learners in your class or caseload and list information that may impact the planning and delivery of instruction and their own learning. Please include first names only of the students, as well as comments about their academic strengths or areas of need, social strengths or areas of need, parents and family, medical information, SST, 504, GATE, IEP, English language learner, and any other factor that may impact the planning and delivery of instruction and/or student learning. As you complete this document, you will come to regular sections that are designed to facilitate back and forth conversation between the candidate and mentor. In the left column, teachers can type what is currently going on and how the mentor can provide just-in-time support. Teachers will also have prompts related to the induction assignment in the preceding portion. Since teacher candidates and mentors both have access to the shared document, either can comment at convenient times. These sections can also be used to summarize conversations that have happened between the candidate and teacher. Getting to know your community. Take a look at the community your students live in and that your school is located in. Knowledge of the local community services, parks, libraries, cultural centers, grocery stores, etc. could help you in connecting with your students and their families. In the next portion, you will prepare for your mentor to come and observe you. The observation can be in person or in another format, such as filmed or having the mentor join a virtual lesson. You will answer some questions prior to the observation. Mentors will record their observation notes here. Following the observation, in conversation with your mentor, you will self-assess areas of strength and areas of growth related to the California Standards for the Teaching Profession, or CSTP. Based on an understanding of your teaching context, the observation, and areas of strength and growth, you will finish out Section 1 by developing a professional growth goal. Choose something you are interested in, can envision, and which has a direct impact on increasing student achievement. First, follow the instructions. You will develop a professional growth goal, which will be in the form of an inquiry question. You will then identify which CSTP it will address. Please note that each section of the ILP assignment requires verification. This means, in addition to the ongoing review that your mentor will be doing, a second reviewer will be looking over the work prior to your submission in Canvas.